a wonderful mother. And you got a wonderful dad too, but we'll have to praise him when it's his day.
Right. Today's Mama Day.
Today's Mama's Day, and she's a great mama.
We love you.
Krista's first Mother's Day.
Yep.
First of many. Many, 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 many.
Many more.
Hi.
Little brother and little